Everyone, this is Kar Ahmed and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video session, I am going to tell you about the biggest predicament that I faced during my earlier days in the gym. So, I know I made a lot of mistakes in the gym during my earlier days, but this mistake was probably the biggest one that I was making. So, I was pretty much new to the gym at that time. I was just 17-year-old, very shy, didn't know how to talk to someone. I had no gym buddies, no friends in the gym. So the approach that I took was just go to the gym and just do your exercises, don't communicate with anyone, and just do what feels right to me. So I did some Google research, some research on the YouTube, but at the end of the day, it was not enough. Even if I found something on the internet, it was not the right information. So what I was doing was I was making a lot of mistakes in the weight that I was lifting, in the repetitions that I was making. So the impact of these mistakes was that I was not getting any change in my physique. I went to the gym to lose weight. So I'm trying my best. A month passed by, 2 months passed by, and I started getting worried. Man, what's the problem? I have been trying for 2 months now, and so far there has been no change in my weight, no change in my physique. So I started searching more, and with the passage of the time, I started communicating slowly with the people in the gym. Hello, hi, and how are you? Light stuff. So with the passage of the time, I finally figured out that the biggest problem that I was making was that I was running after the weight. So I went to the gym and I saw a lot of people there lifting heavy weights, and I got inspired from them, and I thought, man, if they can lift that much weight, then I can do. So what I did was, I just saw someone doing chest press with 30 kgs. So in my unconscious mind would say, man, I had to do this. So I would just go put 30 kg on the bench and try to do the repetitions. And what would happen? 1, 2, 3, and I'm done. And that's just the first set, and I have still 2 more sets to go. So this was the mistake that I was making. I had no idea how to organize my gym. So what I found out was that I need to focus more on the repetitions that I am going to make. Instead of focusing on lifting the weight, I need to focus on my gym routine. The first thing that I need to do before entering the gym is decide a gym routine. I need to figure out how many number of exercises I am going to do and how many repetitions I am going to do. So the plan that I made was 6 to 7 exercises and 12 repetition in each set. It was only after adopting this approach that I finally got some changes in my physique. I remember my weight started dropping down, my muscles started getting in shape. So if you are in a similar problem to me, I highly recommend to you that you alter your gym pattern. You need to focus more on the repetitions that you are making, on the number of sets that you are doing. The first approach that you need to focus on when you enter the gym is the gym routine, and you need to get your body used to the gym routine. So it is not going to happen overnight. It happens with the passage of time, slowly. With you start going to the gym, and you have a plan. You think that, man, I'm going to do 6 to 7 sets, 12 repetition in each 7 exercises, 3 sets of each exercise, and 12 repetitions. So when you start going to the gym, you are doing the exercises. So with the passage of time, your body gets used to the movements, and then you can put on more weight. But it happens gradually. So you need to tread very carefully when you decide to enter the gym. You need to focus more on the repetitions that you are going to do instead of the weight that you are going to lift. Focusing more on the repetition will prolong your stay in the gym. So this is my recommendation to you, that you need to do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. So guys, until next video, goodbye.